Identify the given rate law. The rate law for the reaction is given as rate equals K, number 2, to the power 2, Cl2. Quad determine the reaction order for each reactant. The exponents of the concentration terms in the rate law represent the reaction order for each individual reactant. The reaction is second order with respect to number 2, since its exponent is 2. The reaction is first order with respect to Cl2, since its exponent is 1. Analyze the effect of doubling number 2. Because the reaction is second order with respect to number 2, doubling its concentration multiplies the rate by a factor of 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Analyze the effect of doubling Cl2. Because the reaction is first order with respect to Cl2, doubling its concentration multiplies the rate by a factor of 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. Calculate the combined multiplier for the overall rate. When the concentrations of both reactants are doubled simultaneously, their individual kinetic effects are multiplied. Factor increase equals 4 times 2 is equal to 8 algebraically. Rate nu equals K, 2, number 2, to the power 2, 2 Cl2, equals K, for number 2, to the power 2, 2 Cl2, equals 8 K. Number 2, to the power 2 Cl2, equals 8 times rate initial. This confirms that the overall rate of the reaction changes by a factor of 8, matching option E. The correct answer is option E, 8.